Hello! Welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. This video is about Star Review plugin demo. Let's get started. I will be showing you how to use the Star Review plugin in CloudFunnels and as well as CourseFunnels. As you can see, I have already installed my Star Review plugin on my CloudFunnels site. If you have not installed this plugin yet, you can easily do so just by going to the Marketplace section. Just click on Add New Plugins button and select Install from Marketplace. Search the plugin name there and click on the Install button, and you will be redirected to where I am now. Toggle this button to activate the plugin. Once it's enabled, you will see it on the sidebar menu. Click on it and select All Reviews. And because I have already installed this plugin, I already have some reviews on some of my products, like my email marketing product. You can see I have a review on it. So now let me show you how you can use this Star Review plugin. Click on the Filter Review button, where you can filter your reviews by product, by a summary, by all, by reviews, and by ratings. Now let me select this product, Email Marketing. And on the right corner, you will see the Shortcodes button. Click on it, and you will see all types of shortcodes. The first one is a shortcode for you to see all the reviews. If you want to see only the approved reviews, you can use the second shortcode. If you want to see the review that are marked as red, then use this third shortcode. If you want to see the reviews that are only marked as red and are approved, then use the last shortcode. Now, for example, I want to see all types of reviews. Then I'll use this shortcode that says Show All Reviews. Just copy this shortcode. Then you can paste this shortcode on your landing page. To do that, click on Funnel and Content. Then go to Funnels and Sites. Select and edit your funnel of choice. You can paste the shortcode anywhere. I'll just paste it here on my sales page. Click on it, then select Edit Existing Page. You can paste the shortcode anywhere here on the page. Just select a container and click on the plus icon. Then choose a container. Now that a new container is added, inside this container, click on the plus icon again and select Inside. Then search Custom Code and select it. And on the Enter Code box, paste in your shortcode. After that, save it. Now if I visit this page and scroll down, you will now see the reviews that I have. All the reviews are seen, since that is the type of shortcode I have used. You also have the ability to change and customize the sizes and colors depending on how you want it to look. To do that, go back to your review plugin and click on Settings. And the first thing you will see is the General Setting tab, which I will explain later on. Next is the Review Settings tab, where you can manage the reviews and the styling of it. Here you can manage if you want to show likes and dislikes. Just check it here if you want it to be shown like this one on the page. If I uncheck this option and save it, now if I refresh this page, you will see that it is now gone. Same goes with the other options here. If you want to show them, just check the box, save it, and it will be shown on the page. You can also reposition your rating box. Change the header text. change the rating text. Same with the read more and read less. This is for you if you want to add read more button for the reviews that are long. As of now, we don't have the read more button. Now if I want to add one, instead of -1, I'll put in 200 characters. Then save it, and again refresh the page. Now you will see the read more and read less button. And that is how you can add those buttons and just type in -1 or -1 if you want it removed. Then you can also change the rate product text, review text, and any text you want. Same for styling. You can change it depending on your liking. Example, let me change the size of the container to 100%. Save it and refresh the page. You will see the size will be bigger now. If you want to change the background color, you can do so. You can change each and every color on each element however you would like. Just select it from here. And don't forget to save your changes and it will immediately reflect on your page. Moving on to the rating form setting. First, let me show you the rating form. Here on the page, click on Rate Product button, where you will see the rating form. You have the ability to change it. For example, if you want your students or your customers to be allowed to upload files, you can just check or uncheck this option. So if I don't want to allow my students to do this, I will just uncheck these options from here. Save it and refresh the page, and then you will see the changes. Again, you can also change the texts, colors, and positions. Going back to the first setting that I have showed you earlier, the general setting. For the general, you can choose who can add a review. If you want the reviewers to add reviews with an email verification, you can also do so just by clicking the button here. If you allow that option, you will need to go to your Setting tab. And on your setting, select your default SMTP. Take note that in order to select the SMTP here, you will need to add it first if you haven't already. And we have a separate video tutorial on how you can add your SMTPs, and you can find it here on our channel to use as a guide. After that, don't forget to save your changes, and that will be set. Now if you want that only logged in users can leave a review, then select it from the option here. You can also choose that only logged in members that have a verified email can leave a review. You can also check if you want to automatically approve those reviews or automatically mark it as read. As always, don't forget to save your changes. Now let me add in a review. As you can see, my review was added easily and successfully. If I go back to the plugin setting and click on All Reviews, you will then see the newly added review. And from here, you can approve, delete, or even mark it as read. So that is for the first option. If I choose the second option, like what I have shown you earlier, you will need to choose an SMTP because it will send verification to the viewer. Again, just go to the settings. Select your working SMTP and save your setting. Now on the right side of the general setting is where you can edit your email content. You also have helpful shortcodes that you can use here. You can just copy and paste it from here. Then for the body, you can change the body text if you want to. And below are some helpful shortcodes once again. When that's done, save your changes. And whenever you will use this option, I also suggest that you use this shortcode so that the review will be shown after the verification. Copy it and go to your funnel. Remove this shortcode and paste the new one. Now save it. Refresh this page. And if I make a new review here, when I submit, the verification will take place. If I click on OK, you will notice that my review is not shown here. Now if I go to my Gmail, I will then see the email that was sent to me for verification. After verification, my review will now appear on the page. And that's how you can use this option where anybody can add reviews with email verification. Next, let's try this next option out, where only logged in users can add a review. And for that option, you will need to use the first shortcode again. Now here's an important note. If you have noticed, I was using this funnel, a sales type funnel, to the examples earlier. If you are now using this option of users only, you will need to paste the shortcode on a membership type funnel. So choose your membership type funnel. And like what I have done on the former examples, click on the Edit Funnel button. Click on it and select Edit Existing Page. And again, you can just add a new container here to paste in your shortcode. Then save it. So that is how you will use the Only User option. Now here on the All Reviews page, you have full control of whether you want to approve, delete, or mark as read the reviews. And on the option that I have shown you earlier, where you can allow them to upload a file, you can view those files here. So just to show you, let me make some changes for that. And make a new review. Now let me add in a file. Then click on Submit. And as you can see, it is not showing here on the page because I have used the shortcode that shows the approved reviews. So you will see it here on the All Reviews area, where you can view and approve the review first. If I approve it from here, you will now see it on the page. You can also view the files from here. Just click on the View Media button. You can also do those actions in bulk. Just check the boxes of the ones you want to approve, delete, or mark as read. And that is how easily you can use the Star Review plugin. And the best thing about it is that it is the same process when you want to use it in CourseFunnels. Very easy. So that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.